Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we will go over how to record short videos using OBS Screen Recorder. First, let's open OBS. As you can see, the screen appears in full size by default. Since we want to create a short format video, we need to adjust it accordingly. In the Sources panel, click on the plus icon to add a new source. Now from the list of options, select Display Capture. Give it a name, for example, Short. And then click OK. When prompted again, simply click OK to confirm. Next, select the source you just created. Now, go to the Settings option. From the menu on the left, choose Video to continue with the adjustments. Here, you can see that the aspect ratio is currently set to 16:9 in both places. Since we are creating a short format video, we need to change this to 9:16. You'll notice two options, Base, Canvas, Resolution and Output, Scaled, Resolution. At the moment, both are set to 1920 by 1080, which corresponds to the standard 16:9 format. To convert this for shorts, we simply need to swap the values. So, instead of 1920 by 1080, we'll enter 1080 by 1920 in both fields. This adjustment changes the orientation from landscape to portrait, making it perfectly suited for short videos. So let's change it. As you can see, once we change the base, canvas, resolution and the output, scaled, resolution, the aspect ratio is also updated. Now, the setup is ready for recording short videos. Now save these changes, simply click Apply and then OK. Now, you can see that the screen has been converted into the Shorts video style. At this point, you can adjust the screen according to your preference. For example, if you want to record only the right side of the screen, move the capture area to the right, and you'll see that it focuses there. If you prefer the center, adjust it to the middle, and it will display the center of the screen. Similarly, if you want to capture the left side, adjust it to the left. Once you've positioned the screen the way you want, simply click on Start Recording, and OBS will begin recording your short video. So, that's all for today's video. We learned how to set up OBS Screen Recorder to record videos in the Shorts format, including changing the resolution, adjusting the aspect ratio, and positioning the recording area. I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. If you practice these steps a couple of times, you'll be able to set up and start recording your Shorts videos with ease. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with another useful tutorial.